Welcome back. Let's head to Caymanas Park, where in an unprecedented move in the 65 years of horse racing at the park, 3 stewards at the center of the controversy to disqualify race 2 winner Tekapunt at the Heroes Day race meet are to be suspended for 6 months, and their decision reversed following a meeting with the JRC board on Thursday. And as you'll hear in this report from Denise Walters, all stewards have been recommended for further training with an international steward from the USA.
Melee broke out at the track on Monday following a steward's inquiry into race 2, where the winner Tekapunt, ridden by Samantha Fletcher, was disqualified, placed behind My Sunshine in third, for causing intimidation and interference to that horse and its rider Omar Walker, with a salute ridden by title-chasing jockey Radish Roman given the race after finishing second. Now, as a result, punters rioted, leading to the subsequent abandonment of the remaining 7 races on the card. The 3 stewards at the center are to be removed from the panel for several months.
The Board of Commission instructed that the 3 stewards be removed from panel duties for 6 months. The entire steward body undertake a refresher course and resit rope examination. The chief steward at Maryland Racetrack, Adam Capola, be invited to facilitate the training. And when we talk about rope, we're talking about racing officials accreditation program.
But in explaining their decision at the meeting, the stewards say there were 2 incidents, one in which My Sunshine impeded Tekapunt first, but they thought the second incident where Tekapunt impeded My Sunshine cost My Sunshine, who finished third, a better placing. The Board of Commission at today's meeting disagreed.
The board, after viewing the film, expressed concern that 1. Not sufficient emphasis was placed on Miss Sunshine's initial interference with Tekapunt, which in the board's opinion was the more egregious of the 2 interference intimidation incidents. There was no jockey's objection. 3. This decision by the steward seemed rushed, as no jockey was questioned after the race. 4. Tekapunt did not, in the opinion of the Board of Commissioners, cause Miss Sunshine to lose a placing, and the Commission summarily reversed the placings, allowing the original placing to stand as adjudicated.
Chairman of the JRC, Clovis Metcalf, is once again defending the stewards who made the decision.
All members of the steward body of the Jamaica Racing Commission have been well trained for over 2 years and undertaken practical and verbal examinations conducted by senior retired stewards Haldine Johansson and Lloyd Cobram, and also David Lornard. All of these 3 personnel are Racing International accredited stewards. The chairman of the steward panel on the day have successfully completed 3 of 4 rope examinations and is just 1 examination away from international accreditation.
Meanwhile, the Board of Commission has called to a meeting the jockeys that placed the top 3 in the race.
The Board of Commissioners instructed the steward to summon jockeys Walker, Fletcher and Roman, as it cited that Roman and Fletcher engaged in a sword fight down the stretch, with each jockey hitting the other horse.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.